Oh, yeah.
Turn it off, it's gonna be like followed. It's gonna be. Yeah.
Ah, that's perfect. You know, the beast out here. My boy stuck.
Like Freddy together for 5. Actually, I'm not doing that like I have been. They don't tell me these bitches I'm
Ah, nigga, stuck. You gotta go to reverse. You gotta reverse.
Tienen esperanza. Hablamos,
Oh, damn. Damn, bro. I got y'all though. I got you. If you missed it on Instagram, go watch the YouTube. That shit is great.
New one right there.
Yo lo cargo pa' todos lados, le dicen el cobra falla, de espanto ya está curado. Adicto a tiroteo y dejarlo emparrachado. El palo es viejo, pero el hijo de puta está así.
Look to my left and look to my right. This is my song right here. Listen to the lyrics.
All you saying down, man, is getting
Out of hand. I'm sorry. After gapping everything. After I gapped everything. I'm joking. Oh my god, the boost gauge is crazy. Oh yeah. It was a solid night. Nobody really wanted to run. I mean, I guess people want to run for money, but it's okay. I run for fun for now. Next month when we at the track, it's gonna be fucking crazy. I got you. I'll definitely do it.
Are you on the group chat?
Yeah.
Just
I fucking love this car. Oh my god. It looks like a toy. Crazy. Yeah, that shit gotta be fast. Bro, hold on. In the back, there's a McLaren. Man, there's a McLaren hiding. I can't even see the McLaren. That's freaking crazy. What the fuck? Bro, we out here. Yeah, what a night.
Tax me. I got swag until you know I learned the left way. I got swag.
I love your phone game.
Damn. Nah, this shit look crazy. Oh my god. You got an R8 in the back of the trailer. On B-Lots is crazy. That's wild. Yeah, I know construction money when I see it. That's wild. That's wild. Alright, let's hope I don't fall. Damn, there's a puddle here. Real Florida shit. There's a crazy fat super here. Who is that? The Black Wing. Like an American superhero. That's literally the American superhero. GoPro is dead, but I got my phone, guys. We don't miss the action. X3M. Supra. That's so fucking beautiful.
It's not a 240? Oh, I thought it was
230. The race you just seen was this car. Crazy. Super nasty though. The Supra is nasty. Yeah. Such a toy car.
That's the best thing about it, bro.
X3M. You got a little Honda. Honda Easy.
I'm telling you, when he sees my heart, he's gonna hurt. Bet money. I bet money you gonna see my car.
Bro, that Supra is fast as fuck. Nigga. Bro, that shit sound like my car. I'm not gonna lie. Nah, I wanna run it now. Nigga, the Supra is so nasty. Wow. Yeah. I think it's fast, man. Nah, I'm gapping that. The boys are on the floor taking the exhaust apart. Bro, what a night. This is actually a nice ass vlog. The one day my GoPro dies. Damn, whole exhaust on the floor. What a day though. I gotta take a piss. Scion TC. Super versus a 5-0.